Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from Designsense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this CADPower video, I'm going to show you how you can draw a whole table in BricsCAD. So we have a whole table frame here, which is a polyline, and inside that we have 4 circles. So the first thing we would like to draw is to create the center line for this frame. So I'm going to switch on the ribbon in BricsCAD, go to the annotate tab and choose the center line option. So I'll pick these 2 lines and then these 2 lines, and it creates automatically the center line for this frame. So next, to save some space, I'm going to switch off the ribbon again and go to the CADPower menu. Under draw rule based, we have this option called draw whole table here. You can also call this command directly from the command line by typing cp underscore whole table. So the first question it asks is select closed polygon for whole table frame. So I'm going to select this closed polyline as my whole table frame. Then you are presented with a dialog box which allows you to set a lot of different parameters for the whole table. Now, what I understand from your team is that you're not keen on the dimensions, so I've chosen no dimensions here. But bear in mind that you can also create the whole table dimensions linear from origin, ordinate dimensions, whole to whole, and so on. So we choose no dimensions and we make sure that this option is switched on, which is draw center marks. Then the label position is always inside whole. This has to be like this. Don't use ballooned out or best fit because you may not get the result that you're looking for. The sorting direction is the direction in which the holes are numbered, so we put it as plus x by default, which means left to right. Increment type can be numeric or character, so let me choose character as increment type, and let's say the starting value is a1. Then what happens is the holes will get names like a1, a2, a3, and so on. There is a block which is used for the origin indicator, and you can specify a scale factor of that. So I'll just put it as 3 here. There are, like I said, there are a lot of other parameters. You can leave them as of now as it is. The one other parameter I changed is the export file. So I've chosen it to my F drive. So it creates a CSV file there. Now I'm going to click OK. Pick origin point. So I'm going to choose this center point as the origin. So you can see automatically it has placed the origin block there, and it's asking for a pick point on the x-axis of the whole. So I'm just going to pick a point here so that this horizontal from the center becomes my x-axis. So you can see as soon as I click that, it has already created the whole table rotations and also added the center line mark for the circle. Now it's asking pick point to place whole table, so I'll pick a point here. Do you want to scale the whole table? Yes or no? If I'm okay with this size, I will say no. So this is fine, so I'm just going to say okay. And you can see that the whole table information was also exported to this CSV file, which we will look at in a minute. Right now I'm going to zoom in here, and you can see the whole ID A1, A2, A3, A4 with its X and Y coordinates, the diameter, and the marks. There are 2 tables it creates. One is just a circular shapes whole table, and the other one is a quantity table. So it tells you how many circles are there of this dimension. Now bear in mind that what I have shown you is only as per your exact requirements. There are many other options and possibilities in this command, including the ability to create whole tables from geometry, that's polygonal geometry. So you don't just need to have circles, you can even have closed polylines, and they will be captured in this table as area entities. Now if we come here to the folder, you can see that this is my whole table chart. You can see already it is coming here, and you can save this into Excel format very easily. So we have 2 options from our whole table. One is creating the CAD table, and the other one is creating the Excel table, Excel chart. That's how the whole table command works. If you have any questions, please feel free to get back to me. Thank you.